class. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very important group of insects, Hemiptera. Hemiptera insects are divided into two suborders, Heteroptera and Homoptera. Heteroptera, commonly known as stink bug or pentatomid, because most can secrete volatile odor, so also called fart bug, bed bug, stink plate bug, and so on. Homoptera has cicadas, aphids, scale insects, and so on. Hemiptera insects are opistognathous type. The lower lip is specialized into a beak, usually divided into 4 segments with a few segments of 3 or 1, protruding from the front of the head. The antennae are mostly filamentous, but the antennae of aquatic species are very short and hidden in the antennae groove on the ventral surface of the head. Compound eyes developed. There are 2 single eyes, a few species without a single eye. The dermal part of the thoracic forewing is usually composed of dermal and claw segments, some of which are also divided into marginal segments and wedge segments. The membranous part often has wing veins, which is an important feature of the family. Hind wing membranous, wing veins obvious. A few species have degenerated wings or no wings. The chest foot is flourishing, walking foot, and a few are specialized as digging foot, catching foot, jumping foot, or swimming foot. Hemiptera insects have odor glands on the abdomen, which can spray a large amount of odor when disturbed, producing a strong odor for defense. Most are terrestrial. A few are aquatic or surface. Terrestrial species mostly live on the leaves of plants, locally live in gall, under the bark, soil surface or soil, and a small number of external parasites on birds, mammals, and human bodies, sucking blood. Most species are herbivorous, some carnivorous. Absorb the sap of young branches, young stems, young leaves, and fruits of various plants with stinging mouthparts. Some species of adult insects have the habit of protecting eggs and phototaxis. Younger nymphs often live in groups. Hemiptera insects belong to gradual metamorphosis. Nymphs are generally 5 years old, and the body color changes are large, and the opening of the stink gland is located in the back of the 4th to 6th abdominal segment. In adult bugs, the stink gland openings were located on the ventral side of the chest, with only 1 pair. The volatile liquids secreted by the odor glands can be used for self-defense, and some can cause the heart leaves, buds, flowers, and young fruits of plants to burn. Most species occur once a year and overwinter as adults. A few species occur in multiple generations a year, overwintering with eggs. Eggs are produced singly or in clumps on the surface of the host body, in tissues, or in soil. There are 2 basic types of eggs. Tympanic, short cylindrical, and short ovate, mostly produced on the surface of the host plant, with many grains arranged neatly. The other type is long ovate or long kidney-shaped, single or multiple grains produced in rows in plant tissue. Phytophagous to harm a variety of plants. Thorns suck stems, leaves, fruits, or bud sap, causing tissue damage, the formation of withered spots or top wilting, or falling flowers and fruits. Some also spread plant diseases, parasitic in animals outside the body, harm people and animals, and spread diseases. Predatory species can be protected and utilized as beneficial insects. However, aquatic species sometimes prey on fish eggs and fry, which has a certain impact on aquaculture. That concludes our presentation on Hemiptera. Thank you.